Konkan Railway Corporation Limited. Konkan Railways introduces the automatic coach washing plant. The plant is a multi-stage external cleaning system for coaches or trains. The automatic coach washing plant is able to do exterior cleaning of a rake of 24 coaches in about 15 to 20 minutes time, while being placed on the pit line for primary or secondary maintenance. Advantages: excellent external cleaning quality of full-length trains achieved within 15 to 20 minutes.
The plant does away with huge saving of manpower in the labor-intensive activity.
Reduced requirement of water and consumables as compared to conventional cleaning methods.
Reduces consumption of electrical energy. Huge saving of water, soap and disinfectant.
Further, the water used for the washing plant can be treated through ETP plant and recycled. Layout and construction. The automatic coach washing plant can be installed at the entry point of the train examination pit at coaching depots. This consists of 4 fabricated structures. Overall length of the plant is 30 meters and width 5.26 meters across railway track, with additional space requirement beside the track of 4 by 5.4 meters and 2 by 2 meters for pump or operating room and air reservoir. ETP, if required, will need additional space of 4 by 5.5 meters. There are 7 units required in 7 stages to complete the washing process. Pre-wash unit, soap solution spray, soap solution brushing unit, under gear and side gear cleaning unit, moistening unit, main wash unit, after wash unit. Operation. The moment train encounters with Magic Eye station, sensor indicates for automatic operation process. Pre-wash unit. Pre-wash is the first operation in the washing sequence. Pre-wash operation wets the coach walls and roof through low-velocity water jets. Pre-wash operation helps to loosen dust and dirt from the coach exterior. Soap solution spray. Pressurized mixture of soap solution is sprayed on coach body and roof to soften and clean the hard dust and dirt. Soap solution brushing. The soap solution is then brushed on coach walls and roof with help of 4 vertical, that is 2 on either side, and 1 horizontal nylon brush placed on the roof of the coach. All brushes are driven by gear motors. Under gear and side gear cleaning. Pressurized jets of water and disinfectant directed towards toilet discharge area clean the areas beneath the toilets which are not otherwise accessible. The jets also clean the undergear portion of the trolleys. Disinfectant spray prevents breeding of cockroaches. Moistening unit. Moistening unit sprays water on coach wall and roof to moisten the body of coaches. Main wash unit. Total 8 vertical cotton combination brushes. 4 on either side are used to wash vertical walls of the coaches. This workstation thoroughly cleans areas such as window shutters, destination boards and reservation charts are also removed. One horizontal overhead nylon brush is used to wash roof of the coaches. All brushes are driven by motors. After wash unit. This is the last stage of operation unit. This unit sprays the clean water on body and roof of coaches to provide finishing touch of the washing process. Besides providing safe and reliable service to our esteemed passenger, it is also necessary for the railways to offer the convenience of neat and clean coaches. Control room. A control room is provided with underground water tank of 20,000 liters and overhead Syntex tank for soap solution. Electrical and electronic operating panel with electrical fittings, wirings, etc. is provided in the control room with PLC control system for automatic working of the entire plant. Manual option is also provided. 3 sets of pumps with spare pumps are provided in series with an arrangement to switch over in case of breakdown. Konkan Railway can supply and install automatic coach washing plant on turnkey basis at any coaching depot on Indian Railway. Effluent treatment and water softening plant can also be integrated in the project. Konkan Railway. We care.